Hi everybody. Today our topic is services. So services in the Angular. So first of all, what is the service? Service is it's like a normal TypeScript class which provides the centralized logic for the business layers. Okay, and service is also useful for code reusability. Okay. The main use of the service is for to hold the common logic for the components. Okay, for example, customers component needs the product data and orders component needs the product data, and order details also needs the product data. Just imagine that if there is no service, if you don't have the service, how you are going to create the how you are going to get the products list. Okay, so what you have to do, I wanted to each component, this component I wanted to implement the, I wanted to show the products list. So this component also I wanted to fetch the products list, and this component also. How we have to do that? Each component you are going to create the one method. Let's say that is a products list method. Okay, this products list method which is going to return the products data. Okay, not only on that, you have to create the customers you have to create the products list for the customers component. I am focusing on the I am telling you without the service. I am saying that products list, and here also we have to write the one method, same method. How you are writing the same method, you have to implement the same method into the orders component also. So in this orders component you have to create the products list and orders details also. So here I am saying that I need the products list. Okay, for the products list I am writing the code into the three areas. Okay, because of each component needs the products list. Okay, but I think this is not at all suggestible area. Okay, today 3 components, tomorrow 10 components. Okay, what's about that? I have to create this method into the each and every component for getting the products. Because of this is not at all suggestible idea. I need to create the products list related products list related logic into the one centralized location. So from that centralized location I need to fetch the data. Okay, based on that instance of that centralized location I can fetch the products list. Okay, that is the focus I have to, that is the area I have to focus. I am saying that product service is a normal TypeScript class. Okay, product service is a normal TypeScript class and which contain to the centralized logic for the business layer. Business layers in the sense, this is the business layer. Service is nothing but which is holding the common logic for components. Here component is, you can say the n number of components. 1 component, 2 components, or 3 components, or n number of components. You can say that service can give the service. So that's the reason I can create the one common method, there is a get products list. I can give this instance of this service to the each component. Okay, that I can give the instance. Okay, based on the instance, okay, customer component can pick that instance, and based on that instance he can call the get products list. So this get products list, here I can write the logic, what is the common logic. Okay, the same way orders component also I can create the instance of this product service. I can pick up the get products list, the order details also. So order service contains the get orders list. So based on that get orders list I am fetching the orders from the DB. So in case if any component needs to display the orders, okay, that component can create the instance of this service Okay, accordingly that component can fetch the this get orders list. Okay, not suppose here if you see that here it's having the parent component and child component. The parent component needs the this orders service, and the child components also needs to get the order service. So in this case also you can give the you can give the get orders list method to these two components. Okay, all this stuff we can see into the my next videos. Please watch that. We will see that into the programmatically. Thank you so much.